Hi everyone, welcome to RR Consultancy Assignment Guidance. In this video, we will learn how to create bubble charts in Python using Matplotlib. Bubble charts help us visualize relationships between variables while also representing a third variable through the bubble size. Unlike scatter plots, bubble charts provide additional information by varying the size of each points. They are commonly used in business analytics, sales analysis, and performance comparisons. So at first we have imported the Matplotlib library. Then we have created data which represents study hours, exam scores, and the attendance percentage. Next, we have used the getter function. The S parameter controls the size of the bubbles. Now let's understand the bubble chart. Each bubble represents a different student. The horizontal axis represents the study hours and the vertical axis represents the exam scores. Larger bubbles indicate higher attendance percentage, and the upward trend suggests that increased study hours are associated with higher scores. And bubble charts also help us to visualize multiple dimensions of data within a single plot. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have found anything helpful within this video, please like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for these types of videos.